It was a thrill to win against Rhonda and Wanda in Hopscotch. Of course, I didn't tray easily. May I?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably some fan wanting my autograph now that I'm a sports champion.
We want a rematch.
What?
You took us by surprise yesterday, but today we are ready.
Oh, well, why have a rematch? I don't really care about winning. But Nancy, you said it was a thrill. But I'm still a bit tired from all that hopping. Andy said it was easy.
Easy, huh?
Merci, Jojo. Fine. I accept your invitation to play one little game of hopscotch.
Great, but we're not gonna play baby hopscotch this time. Instead, we're playing Ultimate Hopscotch!
Why are there 3 courses?
Because in Ultimate Hopscotch, you don't take turns. You race side by side. It's all about speed and guts.
And we're back!
What are you guys doing here?
Rhonda and Wanda said that you're having a rematch, and that I could be the announcer. It's the ultimate hopscotch showdown! Ladies and more ladies, roll your marks. Get set, go! And they're off. Ooh, a strong start through the early squares. What a fancy footwork. A sprint through the straightaway. Another toss, and they are neck and neck and neck. Nancy rounds the cone and down the stretch. It's a close race. I haven't seen this much hopping since the time my dad stubbed his toe on the sofa. The twins still look strong. But wait, is Nancy fading? Could this track be too much for a girl trained in tea parties? And as they go into the turn, Nancy falls behind. It looks like she's gonna lose. But from what I hear, she doesn't care about winning.
Au contraire, Lionel. That's French for I beg to differ.
Holy guacamole! Nancy's caught up.
No!
Rhonda tripped. She's down.
Whoa! My ankle!
It's a tie. Wanda and Nancy have tied.
Tap your screen for more videos and tune in to Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.